What's up, guys? Welcome to today's edition of 5-Minute Math, where in 5 minutes I break down the day's math lesson. Today we're looking at lesson 1.6 in the book, Use the Break Apart Strategy to Add. All right. In order to use the break apart strategy to add, what you're doing is you're breaking apart the numbers by their place value. Let's say you have a problem like 414 plus 355. What you would do here is you would start with your hundreds column. So you would add 300 plus 400, then you would add your tens column, 50 plus 10, and then your ones, 5 plus 4. All right. Now, let's take a look at how this works by solving a problem. So in your book, it says estimate, then use the break apart strategy to find the sum. All right. So what I'm going to do for my estimate here is I'm just going to round this number here, 142. I'm going to round that down to 100, and I'm going to round 400 down to 400. All right. So I'm going to write my estimate first, 100 plus 400. And that's going to give me an estimate of about 500. All right. So the sum should be about 500. All right. Let's go ahead and solve the problem for real and see if it's close to our estimate. The estimate just helps us check to make sure we're not far off. All right. So I have 142 plus my other number that I'm adding is 436. All right, so I'm going to use the break apart strategy to solve this problem, starting with my hundreds column. So I'm going to have 100 plus 400 for my hundreds column. And that gives me 500. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Next, I'm going to work my way over to my tens place value. I have 40 and 30. The 4 represents 40. It's in my tens column. And the 3 represents 30. It's in my tens column. And my other number there, 40 plus 30 equals 70. So far, so good. Lastly, I have now my ones column. I have 2 ones here and 6 ones here. 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. So my sum now, I have 570 and 8. 578. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and check, is that close to my estimate? Well, my estimate was it should be about 500, and it's 578. All right. Another thing I could have done there on my estimate is I could have said, well, this rounds to 150. This rounds to 400. 400 plus 150 is 550. And if I check that, 550 is real close to 578. So it's pretty close. So anyways, guys, that's how you use the break apart strategy. All right. It's supposed to help you make it easier when you're adding these larger numbers. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed today's 5-minute math. Tune in tomorrow to get your math quickly and efficiently. Thank you.